Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, my honey buns? How are y'all doing today? Are y'all doing good? That's good. I'm doing okay. My name is Just Like Lay, or you can call me Lay for short. Today I will be doing a wig review for Tinashe hair, and I will also be doing a wig install just to show y'all how I got this little look now. Yeah. So get into it. Hold on. So if y'all want to know how I got this look, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will try to do these. Hints on the try. I'm unsponsored, baby. I will try to do these every single Wednesday. Now, this is a 13x4 HD lace. I think it's reddish brown wig. Yes. I think I got that right. If y'all want to know how I got this cute little look, and y'all want to know how Tinashe hair is, keep watching. Oh, wait, before you go, I just want to let y'all know, like I said, I will be trying to do these every Wednesday. I will try to do different wig companies. So if y'all want to see another wig company, please do not hesitate to let a girl know. The reason why I chose Tinashe, baby, because this was my first wig. Not this one. I picked a wig out a couple years ago from Tinashe, and I loved it. Now looking back, I'm like, why did I stop buying Tinashe wigs? I remembered. After doing this wig, I remembered why. Keep watching. Watch the install, and then watch what I have to say about this beautiful wig here. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you love your girl, if you love my energy. Anyways, okay. Bye, my honey buns.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay, my love, so this is the 28-inch 13 by 4 HD reddish brown deep wave wig. I'm sorry, that was a lot. I see the picture, I'm gonna put it in one of these areas. But yes, so I love that it was really soft. There's not a lot of frontal space. Like, I kind of rigged it to make it look like it had some frontal space, but it didn't really have frontal space. Like how my hairline is set up crazy. It's not bad, but like, you know, like I got like a widow's peak and stuff like that, so I really had to like get into it, you feel me? But oh, it was super easy to pluck. Like, it was almost scary how easy it was to pluck. And I did bleach the knots. The knots bleached perfectly fine to me. When I first wet the hair, I had no bleeding at all, but then I put shampoo in it, and then that's when it started to bleed. So that was that. But Overall, I give this wig a 8 out of 10. And the reason why I say 8 out of 10 is because the frontal, like, it's so small. The wig is so small. And my head is big. Like, my head is big. So it's like, for the big head girls, what do you do? Because it didn't have an option, at least I didn't see an option on there that says medium, small, large, wig cap. You know, like, I didn't see that, and I felt like it just gives small. So that's the only downside about this Tinashe hair. Other than that, I really like the wig. I had to reapply this wig about 3 times. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because of the wig space. However, I work outside in an outside environment. I've been outside 10 hours a day, and it's still soft. It's been 3 days. Overall, for the first wig, I'm liking it. Mind you, for these wigs, I will be only doing HD transparent, invisible, glueless, stuff like that. I will only be doing that. I might try a little short wigs. I prefer long. Like, this is my first time doing like a all red wig, like, and I'm loving it. I usually do like a brown, a fall orangish brown, or I do something like that, but this is like my first time doing like a red for real, and I love this color on me. Like, I was going to do my eyebrows, put on some lashes, do all of that, but I'm like, girl, this wig got me looking cute. What are you talking about? Thank you guys for tuning into my video. I want you guys to have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Make sure you tune in to make sure you tune in to my next video. Let me know what wig company that you want me to do next, by the way. Until then, follow my social media, just like Lay _ for Instagram, and just like Lay on TikTok. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye, my honey buns.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Hey, you pack it, I know by